Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on DirectX 12. Open Fortnite, go to Settings, and select Video, then set Rendering API to DirectX 12. Restart the game after changing the renderer. If you notice instability, toggle ray tracing off and lower frame-intensive options. Keep drivers current and monitor temperatures. I'll walk you through simple tweaks to improve stability and frame rates with friendly, practical steps you can try now. In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on DirectX 12. Adjust resolution scale to trade off between visual fidelity and smoother FPS, then pick quality presets that match your hardware. Tune shadows and effects down first, since they cost the most frames, and keep textures higher if RAM allows. Experiment with anti-aliasing methods to reduce jaggers without major FPS hits. I'll guide you through each setting with clear, friendly advice so you can test quickly. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more videos like this. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can truly change how you think about money, and it pairs nicely with saving for upgrades or a gaming PC. I've included the link and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on DirectX 12. Close unnecessary background apps and overlays before launching to free CPU and GPU resources. Test different power plans in Windows, favoring high performance for desktop rigs and balanced for laptops on battery. If stutter persists, try a clean driver install or roll back to a stable driver version. I'll share troubleshooting steps, including test sequences and simple diagnostics, so you can identify the bottleneck quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.